Hi everyone, and welcome to Titan's Impact X440 hopper installation video. Today I'm going to go over how to install the Impact Series hopper on your X440 sprayer. First, you'll want to remove the siphon by squeezing the retainer around the elbow of the siphon. Then pull it out of the pusher and slide down onto the elbow. In reverse of removing the siphon, after lubricating the O-rings on the J-tube, install the J-tube with the retainer squeezing up into the bottom of the pusher assembly. Note that the larger square connection of the J-tube assembly is designed to support the weight of the hopper filled, resting on the ground with the threaded portion connecting to the hopper. Now, thread the hopper onto the J-tube. And there you have it, a quick and successful transition from a siphon tube to a gravity-fed, volume-controlled hopper assembly. Thanks for watching the Impact X440 hopper installation video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.